Tired of razor burn and ingrown hairs? Want a smooth, silky finish that lasts longer? Brazilian waxing is the answer. Brief overview. In this video, we share tips to ensure a Brazilian waxing experience that is not only effective, but also comfortable. The body, preparation is key. Exfoliation. Before your appointment, gently exfoliate the area to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. Timing. Schedule your waxing appointment for the right time of the month. Avoid waxing during your period. Choosing the right wax. Types of wax. Hard wax is ideal for Brazilian waxing because it adheres to the hair without sticking to the skin. Sensitivity. If you have sensitive skin, consider using a soothing wax or numbing cream beforehand. Waxing process. Pain management. Breathe deeply and relax. The pain is temporary and the results are worth it. Technique. A skilled technician will apply the wax in the direction of hair growth and remove it quickly. After wax care. Avoid irritants. Avoid tight clothing, hot baths and harsh soaps for a few days. Moisturize. Use a light moisturizer to soothe the area and prevent dryness. Prevention of ingrown hairs. Exfoliate regularly and avoid excessive touching of the waxy area. Brazilian waxing can be a comfortable and effective way to achieve smooth, hair-free skin. By following these tips, you can minimize discomfort and enjoy long-lasting results. Subscribe to our channel for more beauty and health tips. If you have any questions or experiences with Brazilian waxing,